Hello children, I am SL Padmini from SGS High School. Today we are going to have our first learning experience through online recording videos. So let's begin our session. This is a video on your second chapter of the main course book. This is a poem of the name Television as God, which is written by Tijan M. Salah. Tijan M. Salah is an economist at the World Bank. His published writings include poetry, short stories, and essays. He is described by many critics as one of the most important American writers of the new generation. In this poem, he has described the impact or the effects of television on the people. So, let's start the poem. In the first paragraph, the poet says, in America, television is a special god with its priests and priestesses. So, children, in America, the poet says, television is a special god. Why is it treated as a special god? Can you guess it? It is treated as a special god because all are so much dedicated and devoted towards it that they don't give time and importance to any other work or activity. They don't even care about their surroundings. So, in the first line he says how much dedicated are the people towards the television. In the second line he says with its priests and priestesses. Now we all know who is a priest. The person who is qualified or has the abilities to perform religious duties, he is known as a priest. And the feminine gender of priest is priestess. So if television is the god, then who are its priest and priestess? The people who act in the television or who play a major role in entertaining the people through the television media. These are the people who are the priests and priestesses. See now the third line. No one has time for conversation or for each other. So here the people are so much engaged or attracted towards the television that they have no time to talk to each other or spend time with each other. See the fourth line. Television works in the remote crania of every high-class pleasure. So what do you mean by remote? Remote means a distant or situated far from the main area. So remote means something which is situated far from the main area. And what do you mean by crania? Crania is the skull, especially the part enclosing the brain. Crania is the skull, especially the part enclosing the brain. So here the poet wants to tell us that television has covered the brain of the people in such a way that there is no other thing the people are thinking about. They are only, attracted or devoted towards the TV. So he says television works in the remote crania of every high-class pleasure. So what is the high-class pleasure here? High-class pleasures means the unwanted or unimportant precious things which people do to keep them entertained. Okay, these are the high-class pleasures. Okay, so whatever the people do, This television will be at the top of all the wasteful things which make the brains of the people dumb or inactive, as it is covering the outer layer of the brain. So, in the first stanza, the poet wants to tell us that how people are, not at all thinking about anything else but only the television. They are so much, attracted towards it that they don't want to bother about any other things. Only the thing is they want entertainment, and they are fully attracted towards the television. Whatever is happening in it, they are following that, and they are giving most of their time only to the television. So this is the first part of your second chapter, that is television as God. So I will end this session here, children, because as this is the first session, you will be finding it somewhat new to follow through this audio video. In the next part, I will again continue with the second and third paragraph of the same poem. Okay, I hope you all have understood the explanation part. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in our school WhatsApp group. Thank you, children, and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.